Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video will be very helpful for you because in this video I am here with you along with a very stylish and very easy hand embroidery design ideas for sweaters, and these are very easy to make sweater designs and they are extremely suitable for beginners, the ones who have just started the art of hand embroidery and they don't know how to make complex hand embroidery stitches. Then friends, yes, you are at the very right place and the right platform. Then this video collection is absolutely for you friends, because all of these design patterns are very easy and yet they are very simple and they require only 1 to 2 embroidery stitches to make the whole pattern. Yes friends, you have heard it right. So I would not drag it further, I would not extend it further. You are pretty much good enough to have a very creative and sleek look of what all highly labeled, high price tags based, highly known branded sweaters look like. But by following these exact color combination and embroidery patterns, you can make these highly designer sweaters, cardigans, tops at your home with a very focused and very less amount of time and effort required. And these are different patterns: round neck, bot neck, collar, band, with different styles of high neck and different deep round neck neckline designs of the sweaters. So friends, I recommend you and I suggest you to kindly do try these patterns because these are very easy to make and they are very decent and delicate and they look extremely amazing. So friends, I suggest you to kindly try these patterns, and if you are new on my channel or you are watching my content for the very first time, then don't forget to subscribe, and while subscribing do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. If you want some more designs, then kindly go to my channel's playlist Sweater Designs, and there you would find thousands of design ideas at how you can design your sweaters. And one more thing friends, that kindly do share our videos massively with your friends and family. And with this, allow me to leave. We will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas. Up till then, take care of yourselves and your loved ones.